Hi everyone, welcome to my video. This is not an official video from Canon Marketing Malaysia. I will not responsible for any damage of your printers. Please try at your own risk. In this video, I will show you my experience for troubleshoot EC21-2F51 and EC31-2F1C. What I do here is based on my real experience. Stay until the end of this video. I will split it into 3 methods. I know you are not happy when see 2 of this error code, 2F51 and 2F1C. This error is a bit tricky. Sometimes you off the printer and turn on again, the error code is gone. More or less in the Google search result or AI will tell you that this is the problem of push cam sensor, waste ink pump, print head or sensor issue. Do we need to replace all of these items? My solution here is method number 1, observation and inspection. I heard abnormal firing sound at startup, keep agitating, which means mechanically mixing ink to maintain the consistency. The question here is, why my printer keep doing this? After 10 minutes of agitating, let's inspect the printhead by nozzle check. When click nozzle check, the abnormal firing sound come back again. It's not a good sign. After 5 minutes of printhead cleaning, the nozzle print is running now. The nozzle report look good. Let's try a print from computer. Wow, it worked well without any error code. What I'm trying to do now is to stop the abnormal firing sound, aka agitating. I'm going to service the cap unit here, the capping unit, and inspect the tubes. Make sure there is no air or no bubble inside the tubes. Method number 2, service capping and push unit. Open the side cover and use the screwdriver to release the printhead. Open the front cover and move the printhead from right to left. Use the plier, remove both of this cap. Wash it with tap water. You may use tissue paper to clean the internal part here without open the whole push unit. Installing back 2 of these capping unit. The space here is limited. Kindly be patient while putting this cap back to position. Okay. Power on the printer. If you didn't see any error code and didn't hear any abnormal firing sound, I would like to say congratulations. I have taken out the push unit. I will not wasting your time show you how to clean and wash the push unit. If you want to see how to wash the push unit, you can refer to the video above here. See you later. Just finished service the push unit. Now I'm going to fix it back to the plotter. This is the final one, method number 3. Service the push unit and install the new printhead. You might asking me, why need to service the push unit? Can I just replace the printhead directly? The answer can be yes, can be no. What my method here is lower down your risk, save your time. As mentioned earlier, we received 2 error codes initially. The error code is referring to push unit and printhead. I strongly suggest to service push unit. Make sure the flow is smooth before we install the new printhead. I'm doing this record in the middle of August 2025. After 1 month, 2 of this error is gone, and the agitating sound is gone as well. Hope this video can help you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.